back to another video of Learn Corona. This is your friend Garima. I hope you people are staying safe and are healthy. The topic that I have chosen for today is how to be a good listener. This is a very interesting topic. Why? Because it involves the traits which are present in us by default. There are three things: hearing, listening, and active listening. But these three are different from each other if you observe them keenly. So the first topic or the first thing which we will take is hearing. Hearing involves the work of our ears, and it is an involuntary action which is present in us. Whenever any sound, any voice, any noise, anything as such occurs, we tend to hear it. We are not at all intended to hearing, but we are hearing it because it is certainly a programming, a process of human body. So hearing is unintentional and is random process which is done by a certain being involuntarily. But listening is when there is a sound over there and we are focusing on that sound. We are intending to hear it. So when the brain is also involved in hearing that sound, then this hearing thing will get converted into listening. Certainly sometimes whenever there is a sound and we are trying to catch it, when we are trying to listen to it, certainly we react to it. Like suppose you are in a dark room, there is no light, and certainly you want to get a way out of that room. So if there is a voice coming from certain direction, you tend to move toward that voice. If there is a material, there is something which is creating some noise, there some sort of sound is coming out of it, then we tend to touch it and see it what it is. Or sometimes we react to those sounds. So this is the process of listening, which is intentional, which is voluntary, and in which our brain is also involved. So I hope that you people now understand that hearing is different from listening. At the time means though listening itself is a proper definition, but by time the people have observed that sometimes we intend to listen to someone. If your friend is talking to you, so you are listening to him, your brain is involved in it, but you are not at all participating, or you are just listening for the sake as he is your friend. But if you are listening to someone in a very serious manner to understand each and every word and to grab the intention or the main feeling that the speaker wants to deliver through that words, so that is known as active listening. Like active listening is something which is listen in order to react after understanding. You should always be an active listener. An active listener is always a good listener. Why? Because we don't just have to listen to something, but also have to understand. Without understanding, there is no sense of listening. So how to be a good listener? If you want to be a good listener, then first of all, listen to whatever the speaker is saying and try to understand in which context the person is saying so. and once he is done with whatever content he was trying to communicate, only then just put your thoughts in words. This is a very important trait of personality development, to be a good listener, because it shows that you are considerate enough to understand the thought process, feelings and emotions of the next person. So I hope that you people got it, how to be a good listener. It is not just by hearing or listening, you have to be an active listener. And apart from being an active listener, you have to be an reflective listener as well. Reflective listener means that understanding the content from the other side and then placing your thoughts on the place. Thank you so much. If you like this video, just give it a like, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.